In today's episode, we're continuing on with my diabetic journey. So if you want to know what happened today, you know what to do. Stick around. Good morning. I am 8:15, so I'm getting ready to make my breakfast. Like I said, I'm going to do this all this week and let you know how I feel, a true review. And then on Friday, I'll tell you everything about this, that the pros and cons. So let me get my scoop. Okay, got a scoop, my cup. So now, so getting ready to do my breakfast, take my morning medication, and then I'm going to head out for a walk. So I'll catch you when I start to walk. Okay, ooh, my plastic now. I didn't get to walk because we had to go take care of some business this morning. So, but we did stop by and pick up a treadmill. So I might try to get in my steps with the treadmill, but right now it's 104 outside, and there is no way I'm going out in the garage right now. So we'll see if I do the walk today. I'm gonna try to get it in tonight when it gets cooler in a sense. So we'll see how that goes. See you later. Okay, guys, I'm running late tonight with dinner, but I'm cooking. I got some Brussels sprouts, and I'm cooking some brown rice. Yes, brown rice. Brown rice and long grain rice is good for diabetics. The regular white rice is not good for us. So I have brown rice, and then I have long grain rice also, but I didn't have any for today. And then I have some pork chops. Okay, so now the season I'm going to use is I have my low sodium salt in here. And I'm going to sprinkle my low sodium salt on the pork chops. Low sodium. Then I have my pepper. And I'm going to use some paprika. Then I'm going to use some garlic powder. Have an open dish. And next I'm going to use my Mrs. Dash. got my brown rice on. It's cooking here on the back. The Brussels sprouts are in the microwave, and now I'm going to put my pork chops on. Okay, so that's cooking, and I'll come back when it's done. Now here is everything plated. It's pork chops and the brown rice. I added gravy to the brown rice, and the Brussels sprouts are just steamed in the microwave. I put a little salt on them, and that's about it. Now I fixed 2 plates, of course, for me and my husband. So let me know what you think of my meal down below in the description, and I'll see you in the next episode.